for that. Hello gorgeous, how are you doing? We are back in Lucinda Ellery. This is Laura and it's all coming off today. Ooh. Lost my laptop. But it's all going back on again too. So we're going to be taking everything off, then checking the hair underneath, redoing the colour, and then putting everything back on. And so this is, we've seen where we've been doing little updates, so we're doing mini, what are they called? Mini adjustments. Mini adjustments. So we've been doing those, but this is now a full-on, take it off, the full service, doing magic, and then putting it all back on again. So, and I'm also going to be going longer, so it's exciting. So let's get on with it. Yeah, so it's been a while. It's been like 9 months. It's been longer than I realised.
A bit longer.
Yeah. Although at this time I have felt, so normally when you have the little mini updates, it's really, really good.
Yeah.
But the last couple, especially the last one, it felt loose quite quickly, and the whole thing started. So I guess because the mini updates just do the outside of the hair, don't they? Hi. You know what? This is it's only the last couple of weeks I've thought, okay, we need to do it now. It's lasted amazingly well. Okay. So I love the fact that it lasts longer than advertised.
Yeah.
Claire's here as well. Let me just spin that around so you can see Claire. Claire's having extensions then.
Hi.
I'm being quite careful to condition it and not abuse it and you know, what have you.
What colour are you doing today then? Obviously if we're doing longer, are you kind of sticking to the
I've never been happier with a colour in my life.
Okay.
I could have this colour forever.
Yeah.
But my friends are so contrary when it comes to hair colour. So I'm like, oh, go blonde, oh, go dark. I'm like, I don't know.
Oh, no, dark is better.
See?
Yeah.
I prefer this. I like this in the middle.
Nice, yeah.
Yeah, bronzy. You've got an army in here.
I know.
Is there anybody left in the rest of the building?
Okay, so I think it was just like a darker blonde colour, obviously to blend in. But I think it was maybe this colour.
Yeah. Yeah.
Pepper, I'm going to mix that for you now.
Danny look like a Fraggle.
Yeah, it's a good look. Bold. And it's all being filmed as well. Yay!
Yay!
So it's off. Have you got the hair there? Bits of it. So bizarre. So now I'm looking, having my natural hair coloured, and it's a unique look, I must say. I look bald. I look like a skull cap on.
I feel better once it's all like washed and a bit wild.
It's wild. That's what I'm putting it. So yeah, they're colouring my base hair. And tune in a moment. I can see what shape my head is for the first time in a very long time. Not like the opposite of Stewie's. This is quite wide. Because since losing weight, I haven't seen what my face looks like with no hair. It looks like this. Fancy that? So now it's all going back on. This is the side hair, and this is the mesh on top, which you've seen before. And those are the bonds. And then in the centrepiece here is where this parting is going to go. Exciting. So we're at the, about halfway, would you say?
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
Flying along.
About an hour, maybe an hour and a half left.
It's mainly the parting, isn't it?
Yeah.
Feels fantastic. It's a lot of fringe going on my eyes now. I mean, I like it, but it's a bit impractical.
Yeah.
I feel at any moment I'll be blinded by hair.
Does that look right where we parted it there?
Yes.
Yeah. What are you thinking about the fringe?
That's about right. Looks about right actually. It's a bit heavy, but I can.
Because you're not used to it.
Yeah.
So I thinned it out, but if you want it thinned out more, we
A
can.
little bit more.
Yeah, that's fine.
I think that'll be fine.
How's that feeling?
Fab, I love it.
Yeah? Happy with the front?
Yeah.
Right, let me just show you the back.
Well, that's nice. Isn't there a shot as I thought? It's not too bad.
No, I think that extra panel, like I said, I think normally it's about there, but you've managed to get a little bit more length with it.
Yeah, I think so.
It's a little bit thinner, but maybe that's also more natural as well anyway, to be fair.
It's nice.
Happy?
Yeah, fab.
Yeah? Good.
So we're done. This is the back. This is the sides. Look at that. Yay. So we like this. We're enjoying this. But there it is. My hair has now been fixed and updated and refreshed. How good is that? So this was 8 or 9 months. It's supposed to be, well, they say it can be as little as 5 months, but mine has lasted ages. Although seeing the fringe and how that looks now, I think I'll have the fringe done a bit more frequently because that looks really good. So that is it. What do you think? As always, leave your comments below. I'd love to know what your views are. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up, and if you didn't like it, well, boo, hit the thumbs down. You know what to do. Thank you so much for watching. Share this with your friends if you think they'd be interested, and I shall see you in the very next show. Popping up over there is the last show I recorded, and below that is the one YouTube thinks you should watch next. Sometimes it's the same show. It's not my fault, that's YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.